Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're doing is we're putting up that second wall right there, and it's gonna have a garage door on it. So, let's get right into this. Here we're just measuring some boards to make sure we cut them to the right length. Earlier, so we know which one, or we're measuring which one goes where. Here is Zach doing his favorite thing. Not really. He is taking nails out of the boards. He says it's not his favorite thing. I really do think it is. Just kidding. But anyway, this is what he was doing. Yeah, and he took them out very slowly. But yes, and we do have to frame an entire door, which is like our first time actually framing a door. This is our first time framing pretty much anything. So that's how this went. And if you watch I'm actually editing this video before I edit the last one, though. But that's fine. The reason I'm doing that is because I didn't have time to edit the other one yesterday. And it is cold. I think while we're doing this, it was about 16 degrees outside. I'm pretty sure it felt like 5. So, Zach got really mad at me when I did this. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it. But, I will be taking that out soon. But yeah, Zach got really mad at this. But anyway, here coming up, we're going to actually start building it right now. But anyway, we're going to start actually building it here. Oh, we thought we cut wrong, but nope, we just didn't space out our boards correctly. And we will eventually realize this. This video was originally might as well shorten that up a little bit. And we shortened it up to about 17 minutes, and I'm pretty sure 38 seconds. Sorry, I apologize for the long. Here we are actually building it now. But yeah, a lot of footage. Yeah, the project's coming along. This is our 3rd video on the shed. Hopefully you guys are liking these ones. I'm pretty sure the shed's gonna be done pretty soon. Our goal is to have it done by now. Don't know if we're gonna have it done or not. At least we want this shed done, so we don't count yet. Because, a big surprise for the roof there. That's gonna take a lot longer than. But yeah, here we're framing the door. This basically it's 69 by 49. I'm pretty sure, or 49 by 69. I don't know. 49 is how wide. Or 49. Okay. I don't know anymore. But it did work out in the end, so. I think it's 65 by 40. I don't know, guys. But we're about to do this here. And I wore my better boots today. Well, yesterday, I was so cold as can be. I swear I was going to get hypothermia. So, I went in and got my hunting boots today. And they are a lot better. Pro tip, you got hunting boots, you don't want to wear them. If you're not already wearing good boots. Like, you wear the same boots every single day. I am going to get me some outdoor boots eventually. Boys, they come, my insulated boots, my hunting boots, came really nice today, let me tell you. They didn't come outside once. it's really cold out today. Really, really cold. And then here's me probably explaining some more stuff to Zach. But yeah, it was like really cold out. Yeah. It's warmed up. It's warmed up kind of. No, I think it's like. Oh, that probably was on for you guys. Here comes like the more stuff. It is 30 degrees outside right now. Okay, here's us put, I think we messed up here. Yeah, here's where we messed up. I don't really know what we did. But basically the problem was we got, actually, I'll just let you guys watch this. Step in the hole. Okay, now you kind of see. But yeah, that one went a completely different. But basically we cut wrong, so we just had to recut it. It wasn't that bad. Okay, and there's us just kind of fixing it up a little bit. Making it like how big it's gotta be. But yeah. And we have like the smallest gap there, if you guys can see. So that kind of sucked, but we didn't want to be as tall as the actual shed itself, because we thought that would be a little bit too tall. So we went ahead and just did that. It ended up being really big still. What did I do? Still doesn't matter. And now we're actually putting some plywood on that side. We're actually putting some plywood on it that we were not doing in there. And we actually cut it this time. And let me tell you, that took a long time. Long time. But it did end up working, so that was nice. And this is Zach happy because it's finally done. Yeah, we just kind of sat there and waited. And here we are, actually, starting to screw it down, I think. Yeah. Yeah, we just ended up just doing this. So that way when we put it up there, we actually didn't have to worry about it as much. My heater up, or heater, by the way. Okay, you guys, now we're actually cutting off, if you watched the last video we posted, we just kind of looked at this, and here is Zach cutting it off with a sickle or so. Didn't go, that part went as planned, but the other one, not so much. And you can even see all the sawdust that made. I had to step back because it was so bad, but you can see here in a second, this one didn't go according to plan like the other one. See, it's not wanting to go so good. But anyway, this is going very, very well so far. Sophia is about to hear some noise, but I cannot help that. Okay, noise didn't come. Maybe it won't say it. Mm-hmm. Yep, here it comes. You guys might hear something in now. I think so too. But it does not matter because this video is great, and Zach is still having a problem with that. So, yeah, it's great. And I think in a second he just starts hitting it all off because he just didn't want to worry about it anymore, so he didn't. But yeah. So if you guys can hear some background noise. But yeah, this is Zach. He's just about to literally break it off because why not? Okay, we finally got that down. And here we go again. I swear I cut some of this out. Okay, well anyway, don't really care. I kind of like being able to talk to you guys like I do here. Let me check something. Brother's here too, guys, and that's the noise, and he's just like annoying me. Hey, brother, stop it. I swear he's here annoying me, that's it. Okay, here we go. Oh, yep, that's stupid. That's stupid right there, buddy. Anyway. I'll just let you guys kind of watch this for a bit. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, and now we're actually putting in that one board, and I'm making sure that we made the door the exact length that we needed it, so when we put in our actual door for there, it would be fine. And we're actually just building the door out of plywood, because we didn't want to invest in an actual, like, big old garage door. What are we, we're fighting over the tape measure here, I think. Nope, okay. Make sure we, and I think Zach messed up on the links here. But yeah. Doesn't really matter here, anyway. Telling your brothers are here to annoy you. But anyway. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by my brother. But anyway. This is time. Hold on, I gotta check my phone quick here. Oh my gosh, brothers are just annoying you guys. It's probably gonna be like the worst voiceover ever. Worst voiceover ever. Yeah. Okay, here we go. What are we doing here? Oh, and we're at 1,229 views. That's a lot of views. I think that's like 10 in the last day. That's nice. Thanks, guys. Keep watching the videos, I guess. Just saying, if you guys watched our first video on this, it was a lot hotter. Just to let y'all know, it was a lot hotter. I mean, here we're putting some caulk glue, on the actual on some of the cracks. I actually had a lot of footage of this, but like you guys couldn't really tell what we were doing, so you just would have been facing that wall the whole time. So that was great. I didn't think you guys wanted that, so I didn't add it. And I didn't stop it at all today to tell you guys what we were doing at all. I just kind of let it happen. Okay, hold on. I'm looking at something. Okay, here we go. I think I got it. Okay, I guess I don't. I have no idea. Oh, actually, never mind. I know it was. Okay, and here's what's actually put in the door, which actually kind of failed. So, because I bought the wrong screws, because that's what I do. I'm gonna go get some more tomorrow, which will be nice. And then actually this might be tomorrow's video. Anyway, tomorrow's video for you guys will probably be putting up this wall still. But yes, I'm gonna let you guys go here, and I'll see you guys all next time.